Yeah, you're good to run off, Blue.
White's white.
Slime's free
Right.
for all. Slime's free for all.
Golems are 3 of 4. Work on hallways.
Southeast is ready. Northwest is ready. Southeast, northwest are good.
Northeast is holding.
Southwest is holding.
Okay, all rooms are holding. Commit.
Alright, when you guys are working on red, please don't interrupt him for me again. I'll do it myself so I don't get bombed.
Yeah, let Rye handle the interrupting.
I've got 3 fusions. I've got 3 fusions. I've got 4 fusions.
Get red to the button. Golems will have to stun or sleep demolish casts.
Slime's looks good.
Mine's a little off center on the button. I'm kind of worried.
No, you're fine. I checked.
As long as the center of it's on the button, you should be fine.
So, fun fact, killing or having them rupture is not the intended strat for slimes. You just need them to die on the buttons. So the intended strat was to have people actually DPS them down